This is Scott. Welcome to my first augmented reality project and my first video tutorial, both at the same time. Now it's asking me, this is an Adobe Aero app, so it's asking me to locate this image of my book. So I'm going to pan around looking for this image. That's my workstation, and here's my cat, Furrell. And I'm going to pan over here and along with Furrell, now kindly move out of the way. And whoa, there it is. There, that's pretty cool. Good thing Furrell can't see that. So wow. So what that is a Donkeycorn. It's a character from our book. It's a donkey dressed up as a unicorn. And if I touch the screen, you can't see my hand, but I'm going to do it now. It should interact. Ooh, I'm going to do it again. Spins around. Fun. And I can do all kinds of stuff. I can actually have this open up to a page in the book, and you can launch a video or a website or even a game. I'm just learning how to do this. I'm going to put the link below so you can download it. If you have Adobe Aero, A-E-R-O, you can download the free app, and you can just click on the link and you can have all this fun too. So if you bought the book, you can key on the book and you should have your little dude pop up. It's so cool.